Miss Joy, good morning. Kamusta gali presentation? Makobra ka na? Kaya ako do wala pagid ko, bro.
Good morning, Sir Rods. Okay lang akong presentation. Tapos na-enjoy tayo na lang push.
Mayo, miss, bakay nakasugod ka na? Ako do wala problema. Di, makakadto ko sa office, miss. Kaya ako danay, kay nagutom na ko.
Oh, sir, mag-going na ako to subong kayo para matapos ko na akong nga work.
Sige, miss. Nice meeting you, miss.
Thank you, sir. Hello, good morning everyone.
Kamusta lang yung mga presentation?
Kagoy bro, lapit naman ako matapos sa
Sa palibot sa activities. Tapos,
silang man na. Kulang na. Kulang na ako. Miss, okay na miss. Okay na. Gabay na lang. Tapos na na.
gusto mo ba, miss? Ako dyan?
Thank you.
Mga ma'am, today niyo pala sa presentation next week mo. Ang pangita ko, gusto niyo po ano mga innovative activities para ma-engage sa mga students sa upcoming experimentation.
Buda na sir, nalo ka buda sila magana sa activities, kag especially mga student, dato ka buda gid sa na ilang attention, kag especially na duka gid mangita sa mga unit na bala activities sa sa mga estudyante.
Mayara ko na bala sir nakita sa Google ng website nga damo-damo ginada ning activities nga engaging for students kag ning bag-o bala sila nga mga mata. So may i-send ko lang sa inyo ang link para try niyo na panita sa inyo nga mga pwede magamit sa inyong presentation.
Sige miss, thank you gid sa pag-suggest ang website. Later, i-check ko to kung may mga activities sa para sa next week na presentation. And also, I hope na may engage dito mga students naton while they are learning sa aton nga topic.
Sir, nakapamahalo ko na.
Miss,
Di mo maudot ko na isagwa.
Pinapit kami.
Sige.
sige miss.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the day to let us see your presentation. Today, we will see how well you prepared your lessons for our students to learn more and for better understanding. So, shall we start sa presentation? You ready, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, today we will start with Mr. Adorias. So, Mr. Adorias,
So that's all, everyone. Thank you for your listening. Thank you.
so what a great presentation by Mr. Adorias, no? Thank you, sir. What a good presentation by Mr. Adorias. So that is all I wanted, no? Para mag-learn ng atin yung mga students yet. And Mr. Adorias did a great job. So let's give him a round of applause. So the next one will be Mr. Rods. Sir Rods, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Good day, everyone. By the way, I'm Sir Rods, and our topic for today It's all about a bar federator and its key features and application. So for our objectives, the student should be able to A. Discuss the key feature of bar federators. B. Identify the application of bar federators. And lastly, give the importance of bar federators. So there are 7 key features. So energy efficiency. So find and understand in the power energy standard. Portability. So portability or
Office needs.
allowing the reinforcing and functions as that. So when you talk about the last door, so this is last door. It is a so that would be all. Thank you for listening, everyone.
What a good presentation, but sir, now let's give him a round of applause, everyone. Okay? Tanan, may kasi yung mga visual aids. Kaya yung activity, super nag-get interactive sa yung mga activities, no? So, let's congratulate again, Sir Ross. Last good. So, next one will be Miss Joy.
Sir, can I talk to you for a minute, sir?
Oh, sige, sige, Miss. Ano ba isang sir? Sir.
Actually, wala, sir. Ang pag-inang niyo kasi, sir, sir. Parehas sa ako. So, di ko lang sure kung ikwaya or parehas di kami may sa pagkukla. Which is may alaman ko, sir, with that, sir, sa pag-work sa akong na presentation.
So, we have a problem here now regarding Miss Joy and Sir Rods. So, for now, we will end this meeting. Kindly, Miss Joy, Sir Rods, Miss Novi, and Mr. Dorias, come to my office later at 10:30 so we can talk about this matter. And for now, let's end this meeting. So, this meeting is adjourned. See you later in my office. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, good morning, everyone. So, today, naging po ang ating presentation. Ganito, model concerns si Ms. Joy sa
Okay, so good morning, everyone. So, may reason na when ko pagino lang present sa aton nga presentation. It is because si Mr. Ross is same among nga Mobla. So, doka bunlay man nga ma-present ko, which is nga na-present yan na. That's my concern, sir, na same kami present.
So, Sir Rods, what you think?
Sir, for me, sir, ako din kaya kasi wala ko, maganda sa akin sabihin ka. So, wala mo magagalong safe ng gagawin ng topic na is yeah. So, we have ito kaya pang-tundra, tunugba mga skills
Okay. So, student nila oy, para sorry,
So, may ako po, sir, kay sa pag-work ko to, which is natapos na ko, yung pa-service kasi history, other yes, is, dinadaan siya kami, right? So, may arakan ko, sir, sa akong na po, ang aking copy, pag ang mga size na i-tap sa tapos, pagtapos ko na, sige, bakit ako matay sila ni Mr. Gana, kaya sila to, and Mr. Arias, o para kung ano, biglang namin na
So, we're going to use this tomorrow, no? We'll see about the video sa CCTV o ano naman. And we'll have another safe issue. And one siya. So, nalaman natin the letter. So, magaling mo lang letter. Okay. Dapat niya. Okay, sir. That's all. Thank you, Sir John. Okay. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone.
especially Sir Rhodes. This matter is very important to us, and I heard some information from your team from stalling about the representation of Miss Joy. Upon reviewing the CCTV in your office, Mr. Rhodes, you are proven guilty of your actions. About this matter, what can you say about Mr. Rhodes?
So, Mr. Rods, regarding this matter, next time, I think you need to ask permission and give credits to the owner when when you want to use their work.
Okay, Mr. Rhodes, do you have anything to say?
I'm very sorry, Miss Joy, for my action. So next time, I will ask first permission to the rightful owner and give credit to him. And I'm very sorry for ulit sa hindi.
Alright, this matter is clear, and Mr. Rhodes, this is serve as your final warning.